Hello and welcome back everyone. The dental pulp is the soft living core of every tooth. It lies deep inside, protected by the layers of dentine and enamel, and stretches from the pulp chamber in the crown down through the root canals all the way to the apex. Structurally, the pulp is a specialized connective tissue that contains blood vessels, lymphatic channels, nerves, and connective tissue cells, all working together to keep the tooth alive and responsive. At the outer border of the pulp lies the odontoblastic layer. These odontoblasts are specialized cells responsible for forming dentine not only during tooth development but also throughout the life in response to stimuli like caries or trauma. Beneath the odontoblast, the pulp is subdivided into three zones: the cell-free zone of Weil, which contains capillary and nerve fibers; the cell-rich zone packed with fibroblast and undifferentiated mesenchymal cells; and the pulpal core, which houses the major nerves and blood vessels. The main functions of the pulp include formative, producing dentine through odontoblasts; nutritive, supplying nutrition to the avascular dentine; sensory, transmitting pain and temperature changes; and defensive, activating immune cells and producing reparative dentine through odontoblasts in response to an injury. The pulp also possesses some regenerative capacity, especially in younger individuals thanks to the stem-like cells within the pulp, but this ability is extremely limited and severe damage often requires clinical intervention. Despite its protection, the pulp is highly sensitive, and ironically, its rich blood supply makes it a favorable environment for bacterial growth once infected. Caries, repeated dental procedures, or trauma can all trigger pulpal inflammation known as pulpitis, which can become extremely painful and may lead to pulpal death known as pulp necrosis if left untreated. In such cases, a root canal treatment is performed by the dentist where the infected pulp tissue is removed, the canals are cleaned and shaped and filled with biocompatible materials such as gutta-percha. In summary, the dental pulp is far more than just inside of a tooth. It's a dynamic, vascular, and highly specialized tissue essential for development, maintenance, and protection of the tooth throughout the tooth's lives. If you found this video helpful, then do check out my new series of Dentistry Under 3 minutes for more helpful topics. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Stay safe and goodbye.